Povidone iodine is a widely used antiseptic in both medical and dental fields due to its broad-spectrum antimicrobial activity. However, like any medical product, it has a safety profile that needs to be understood for effective and safe usage. Although rare, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to povidone iodine, which can range from mild skin irritation to more severe symptoms like swelling, rash, or anaphylaxis. Prolonged or repeated use can cause local skin reactions, including redness, itching, and dermatitis. This is more common in individuals with sensitive skin or those using the solution in high concentrations. Povidone iodine contains iodine, which can be absorbed through the skin. In excessive amounts, it can disrupt thyroid function, particularly in patients with pre-existing thyroid conditions. This is more of a concern with prolonged use, such as in chronic wound care. In certain cases, especially with extensive application on large wounds or mucosal surfaces, there can be systemic absorption of iodine, leading to potential iodine toxicity, though this is rare. Povidone iodine is effective in reducing microbial load in wounds. However, its use in large, deep wounds should be monitored to prevent excessive iodine absorption, especially in patients with renal impairment. Commonly used for preoperative skin preparation, povidone iodine is generally safe but should be avoided in patients with known iodine sensitivity. Povidone iodine is often used in dental practices as a pre-procedural mouth rinse to reduce microbial load. It is generally safe, but care should be taken in patients with a history of iodine allergy. Used for wound irrigation and prevention of infection in oral surgery, povidone iodine is effective, but excessive use can cause mucosal irritation. Special caution is advised when using povidone iodine in children, particularly infants, due to the risk of systemic absorption and thyroid suppression. While topical povidone iodine is generally considered safe, it is recommended to avoid prolonged or extensive use during pregnancy and lactation due to potential effects on the fetal or neonatal thyroid. Overall, povidone iodine remains a cornerstone antiseptic in both medical and dental practices when used correctly. Awareness of its side effects and adherence to recommended usage guidelines are key to preventing adverse effects.